Okay, Mountain Roses, everyone. My name is Lovelyn Ipil. Okay, today we talk about animals' habitat. Okay, before we start, let me ask you, what is animals' habitat or a habitat? Okay, later we will know that. Please keep watching. Okay. Animals' habitat is a place where animals or plants live, where they get water, food, and shelter. Habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or organism. So, where do animals live? Animals will live on land. Okay, so these are the examples of animals who live land. This one. And also, animals live in water, especially the fish. Next is jungles. Jungles are very wet and hot. It rains every day. There are millions of plants and animals. Trees are giant. So this is the picture of the jungles. So what kind of animals live in the jungles? Okay. So these are the examples of the animals who lives in jungles. Okay, so the monkey, the snake, um, the the bird, and the butterfly, and etc. Next is the ocean. Okay, so ocean water covers nearly 75% of the Earth's surface. So, um, we all know that ocean is 75% of our Earth surface. So there are numerous species and animals who live here. Um, there are five oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. Okay, so these are the animals who lives in oceans. Okay, as you can see the pictures. So these are the animals who live the ocean. Um, the the shark, fish, the turtle, the starfish, octopus, and etc. All these are the examples of the animals who lives the ocean. Next is the forest. So forests have got four seasons, which is winter, autumn, spring, and summer. So in autumn, leaves turn yellow, orange, red, and brown. Okay, so this the color of the tree when it's in autumns, this one, it becomes yellow, orange, red, and brown. And the weather in forest is different in each season. Next is the animals of forest. Okay, what kind of animals live in forest? Okay, so as we can see the pictures, there are deer, the rat, the owl, and the dog also. Okay, so these are the examples of the animals who live in the forest. Next is deserts. So deserts are very hot and dry. Okay, so here in Philippines, I guess there are no desert here, but desert must be found in the Saudi Arabia, just like this that place have a deserts. So they are not many animals or plants. Okay, so mostly the plants or the animals did not survive the desert because desert is very hot, and they also desert are lack of waters. Okay, this desert there are a lot of kinds of cactus, and desert animals are nocturnal. These live during the day and hunt at night when the desert is cold. So these are the usually the animals of the desert are nocturnal. Animals is during the day the animals will sleep because of the very hot, and during the night it is desert feel cool, so the animals will hunt at night. Last is the desert animals. So these are the examples of the desert animals. So as we compare, um, desert animals are too small. Compare the jungles, the forest, the ocean, because the animals there they can survive because the very hot surface. Okay, that's all, and thank you for listening. Hope you learned something. Okay, thank you guys, and God bless.